If you're trying to open the Steam website and see the message, "Oops, sorry. An error was encountered while processing your request," or the Steam store is showing a blank black screen, don't worry. This is most likely not a problem with your PC. Steam is currently experiencing a server outage. You can confirm this by checking Down Detector, where many users are reporting issues with the Steam website, store, login, downloads, and server connection. Since this is a server-side problem, there is nothing you need to fix. The best option is to wait until Steam restores its services. After some time, check the Steam website again or visit Down Detector. Once the outage is resolved, the store and website should start working normally. That's all for this video. If you found it helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.
No, I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no, I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinct